Good evening. My name is Mr. Cunningham, and today we're going to go over a little bit about our class on energy. So we're going to hit the class welcome first. It says, "Welcome everyone. I'm excited for this class. In this class, we're going to discuss what energy is and different types of energy and how we can use that energy to further benefit us." Okay. So now we're going to go over the syllabus a little bit. It is attached with a Word document. Alright, so topic is going to be 4th grade science. It's our course syllabus. It says, in this class, we're going to discuss what energy is, different types of energy, and how we can use that energy to benefit ourselves and our environment. Course objectives, we're going to understand the concept of energy, identify different types of energy. For example, kinetic, potential, and thermal are some examples that we'll discuss. Explore how energy can be transformed and transferred. Investigate real-world applications of energy, and we're going to develop problem-solving skills related to energy usage. For this course, you will need a computer with internet access. You're going to have notebooks and your typical writing utensils, and you will have access to science-related courses such as books, articles, and videos as provided throughout the class. Grading policy is pretty straightforward. Class participation will be 20% of your grade, assignments and projects are 40%, and quizzes and tests are also 40%. Policies. This course will be self-paced, allowing you to complete your assignments at your own rate. It is to your advantage to follow along with the course material rather than waiting until last minute. Regular participation and timely submission of assignments are expected. Respectful communication with peers and the instructor is mandatory. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to me through Google Classroom. Alright, so the course outline will discover various topics related to energy over the school year. Key areas of focus will include the introduction to energy, 2, types of energy, 3, energy conversion and conservation, 4, renewable versus non-renewable energy, and 5, the impact of energy on the environment. Here is kind of like a rubric for the assignments and participation. Below, you will see the criteria of how you will be ranked on a scale of 1 to 4. Okay, and this syllabus will serve as a guide for students, such as yourselves, and families to understand the expectations and structure of the course. Please review it carefully and reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Okay, now we are going to look at our learning objectives, attached with the Word document as well. Alright, learning objective. By the end of the science class on energy, students will be able to explain the concept of energy in its various forms, describe how energy is transferred and transformed in different systems, and analyze the role of energy in our daily lives and the environment. Energy is an essential concept in the field of science as it is the driving force behind all processes in the universe. In this science class on energy, students will develop a comprehensive understanding of this fundamental concept and its significance in various aspects of our lives. One of the key learning objectives for this class is for students to explain the concept of energy in its various forms. Students will learn that energy is the ability to do work or cause change and exists in different forms such as kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, and chemical. You will explore examples of each form of energy and understand how they are related to one another. Another important learning objective is for students to describe how energy is transferred and transformed in different sentences. You will learn about the laws of thermodynamics and how energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred from one form to another. You will analyze various energy transfer processes such as conduction, convection, and radiation, and understand how energy is transformed in different systems such as engines, machines, and living organisms. Furthermore, students will learn to analyze the role of energy in our daily lives and the environment. They will explore how energy is used in various human activities such as transportation, heating, electricity generation, and understand the environmental impacts of different energy sources. Students will also discuss the importance of energy conservation and explore ways to reduce energy consumption and promote sustainability. So overall in this class on energy, we're going to aim to equip you with a thorough understanding of this crucial concept and its implications in various aspects of our lives. By achieving these learning objectives and explaining the concept of energy and its various forms, describing how energy is transferred, transformed, and analyzing the role of energy in our daily lives and the environment, you as students will be well prepared to make informed decisions and contribute to a more sustainable future. Alright, so now that we have reviewed our objectives, we're going to look at some of this material. It is an IXL link that is linked to Elevate Science, and it is specific for 4th grade. So here you're going to see our topics, and under each one there's going to be individual lessons. On the left-hand side and on the right-hand side there will be links, so you will be able to click on them, and you'll be able to answer questions that will be related to how energy functions with it, okay? We'll go back a little bit. So topic 1 is energy and motion. 2 is human uses of energy. And under each one there will be individual lessons and readings and activities to go along with them. Okay, so your first assignment will be, what is energy? You're going to create a booklet with the instructions provided. And you're going to have 8 pages, so you're going to label what is energy on page 1, and you're going to draw a picture of something that shows some energy, and you're going to color that. On page 2 and so on, you're going to list different types of energy, and you're going to draw pictures and give examples of how each one demonstrates that type of energy. Okay, and then under material, we have a video on energy. It is a link that will take you to a YouTube channel, so we're going to go straight to this YouTube. It is a short video. This has an ad, so we won't get too much into it, but it is a short video on what energy is. It's an interactive video. Okay, next you will have your assignment 2 will be your end of unit test after you make it through your readings. You're going to have 10 multiple choice questions. So you will just select the correct answer or the answer that you think suits the question the best. There will be 10 of them. Alright. And here I've included a picture of a simple circuit. It's a little fuzzy, I apologize for that. It says that we can tell if a circuit is working properly by adding a component that responds to electrical energy, like a light bulb. So I'm sure all of you have seen some light bulbs around your house, in your classrooms, and many other places. With a light bulb, wires are needed to connect other components to the source of energy, and down below you will see the source of energy is a battery. So it says circuits need a source of energy like a battery or a cell to be able to run and produce light through the light bulb. It's just a short little example. Alright, and for our final project for the classroom, you're going to create a small experiment or demonstration about your energy of choice. You will be able to choose from the energies that we have discussed in the previous assignments and readings. You're going to provide an example. It can be a physical example if safe, which means you will ask me in an email or through Google Classroom which live demonstration you're going to do, and I will let you know if it's appropriate, if it's something we can do in the classroom. Okay, you're going to provide a physical one of your energy and how we could use it today to help us. So what can your creation, your project do with energy to help us? This could be something we already do, such as a demonstration of a light bulb, like in the circuit we talked about, or it could be a new way to use energy based on how you create it. So you will get to use your creativity to create an invention. And that will be your final project. Alright, and that pretty much sums up our class on energy. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or reach out in Google Classroom. Thank you.